Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. A pergola wrapped in lush, vibrant vines can turn even the simplest backyard into a magical, inviting sanctuary that feels like a hidden paradise. With the right design choices, you can craft a space that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and reconnecting with nature. The beauty of a vine-covered pergola lies not only in its elegance but in the sense of comfort and charm it adds to your outdoor living area. Now, let's explore the most inspiring ways to transform your backyard into a breathtaking pergola paradise. Selecting the perfect pergola design. Choose a pergola style that blends seamlessly with your home's architecture. Whether it's rustic wood, sleek metal, or painted white beams, the frame should complement your space and set the mood. Opt for an open-top pergola for airy light or a partially covered one for shade and coziness. The structure's proportions should fit your backyard without overpowering it, creating harmony in the design. Consider adding decorative details like carved beams or lattice sides. These elements enhance the pergola's personality while providing extra support for climbing vines. Choosing the right vines for maximum impact. Select vines that thrive in your climate, such as wisteria, jasmine, or clematis, to ensure healthy, vibrant growth. Hardy plants will keep your pergola stunning year-round. Go for a mix of flowering and leafy vines to create layers of color, texture, and fragrance. This variety keeps your pergola visually interesting in every season. Train your vines to grow evenly by using trellises or garden wire. A well-trained vine not only looks elegant but also provides fuller coverage for shade and privacy. Enhancing ambience with lighting. String warm fairy lights across the pergola beams for a magical glow in the evening. This creates an intimate, dreamy atmosphere perfect for dinners or quiet nights. Add hanging lanterns or vintage-style pendant lights to enhance charm. These focal points bring character while ensuring your space remains functional after dark. Incorporate solar-powered spotlights at the pergola base to illuminate the vines from below. This dramatic effect highlights textures and makes the greenery stand out beautifully. Creating a cozy outdoor lounge under the pergola. Choose plush seating with weather-resistant cushions to make your pergola inviting. Comfort is key to making guests want to linger for hours. Add an outdoor rug to define the space and bring indoor comfort outside. This softens the area and makes it feel like a natural extension of your home. Incorporate a small coffee table or side tables for practicality. These provide space for drinks, books, and decor, making the pergola perfect for daily relaxation. Adding decorative touches to elevate the space. Place potted plants or hanging baskets around the pergola's edges to frame the structure. This enhances the lush, green feel while adding depth to the design. Include outdoor art, such as weatherproof sculptures or wall hangings. These give your pergola a personal touch and make it feel truly unique. Layer in textiles like throws and pillows in seasonal colors. This keeps the space fresh and allows you to change the mood effortlessly throughout the year. And there you have it. Your backyard can truly become a breathtaking escape with a stunning pergola wrapped in lush vines. Every detail you add brings your outdoor space closer to that dreamy, magical retreat you've always imagined. Remember, it's not just about beauty, it's about creating a place where memories are made. If you loved this transformation, you'll be amazed by what's coming next. Uncover magical backyard escapes designed with timeless rustic charm. Click now and get inspired all over again.